Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language within the imToken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the imToken wallet app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with logging in using your wallet name as well as your password. After logging in, you will end up within the wallet page right away. Now, if you wish to change the language for the application, just tap on My Profile at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Settings, and you will now see the Languages option. Go ahead and tap on it, and this will now show you the list of various different languages that are available for the application. Just tap on whichever language you prefer, and then tap on the Save button, and this language will be applied to your application right away. And if you wish to change your language once again in the future, you can go back to the same settings page and then change your language once again as you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the imToken wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.